What's good, my tech friends? This is the one only Tech Boss. I shouldn't even say who it is because you already know who it is. Anyway, guys, we got this. This is the Logitech MX Master 2S. This is a sick mouse, apparently, from what I've heard. Apparently, it's the best mouse. I mean, the best wireless mouse you can get for productivity. It's just out of this word, basically, for productivity. But I'm going to be using this for gaming and productivity. It's also good at gaming, so that's a bonus. But for productivity, for when I edit my videos and when I search the web, do my shizzle, then I know that I'm going to get precise and pinpoint and sharp and everything. Precise clicks and all that shizzle. You know what? You know how it is. Anyway, but guys, let's not waste any more time. Let's unbox this. Let's see what's in the box. And yeah, let's see what's one. So here's the box, guys. It looks good, looks good. It's nothing. Actually, I thought it would have a bit of weight to it, but it actually does not have a bit of weight to it. Anyway, let's go through some specification. Like I said to you, this is already the Logitech MX Master 2S. I thought it was actually called the S2, but it's actually called the 2S. And as you can see, it's got the shorter Logitech. Well, it's got the Logi sign, logo there instead of the full Logitech like the first generation had. But yeah, then it's got the full Logitech logo at the bottom right there, as you can see. So as you can see, it's got dual connectivity, receiver and Bluetooth. So you can actually put this, you can plug it into your computer by USB or use it as a Bluetooth device, connect it via Bluetooth, and it's an easy switch. You can easily switch between 3 computers. So you can actually, if your PC has Bluetooth connectivity, you can actually set it up and it will connect to all 3 computers. So you can literally skip from one computer to the next computer and to the 3rd computer, which is pretty damn cool. Didn't know I even had this feature in it, so it's a pretty cool feature. And then moving on to the back, it's got like I said to you guys, it takes multi devices, which is pretty cool. So you can shift from one PC to the other, as you can see the picture right there. And then it's got for us, let's have a look. It's got fast charging capabilities. So the battery, if you put it on charge, it will last. I mean, it will charge really quickly, and it holds power up to 70 days on a full charge, which is pretty cool. So you can actually charge this up. It's going to use the fast charging to charge it up, and guess what? You're going to have days and days upon days that you can use this mouse without it actually dying on you. Then you just have some different languages there. Here it just tells you that the shape of the mouse is very good. It fits onto the hand, onto the palm of the hand very nicely. So it's very comfortable. And then yeah, it just says in different languages, like I said to you guys. And then it's got the unique scrolling experience. So you can actually, it's basically an infinity scroll. So it's basically an infinity scrolling feature. You literally just roll the scroll and it just goes on for ages, basically. So it's good for when you're reading through Instagram or Twitter, or I just said Instagram. Wow. Anyway, Twitter. So you can literally just scroll down quickly, and it will take you to the bottom of the page, or the top of the page, or wherever you need to go. And then we have high position tracking. So it's actually got a nice tracking feature on the actual mouse. You can pinpoint wherever you want to click on or whatever. And then yeah, that's basically what's on the box. It works with Windows and also Mac as well, which is pretty cool. I've got a Windows machine, so it should work pretty damn well. It's just got the nice MX Master 2S symbol, logo, whatever you want to call it back there. And also here we have the Bluetooth and unifying feature in the on the mouse. Basically, it just tells you what's in the box here. We've got the mouse, the USB that you can plug into the Windows or Mac machine. And then we have the charging cable and a few manuals. I mean, maybe how to use the device or how to use the mouse or and whatnot. It'll just have some IMEI number and just details you guys don't really want to know. But yeah, let's crack this bad boy open and see what's in the box. Get my handy cutting knife over here. Boom, we are in. Right, let's see what we greet. Oh wow, we're greeted with the beautiful mouse right there. It's so nice. I cannot actually wait. The click actually isn't that loud. This is my old mouse over here. Well, it's going to be an old mouse, and it's quite loud. This one isn't quite loud, to be honest. But yeah, we have the thing that, let me open this up anyway. We have to have a look. But yeah, as you can see here, we just have a little bit of well, what's this? He's actually got a little mini app you can download, and you can preset all the buttons to do what you want it to do and stuff like that, as you can see there. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, Logitech software actually. I like that. That's pretty cool. And then yeah, just have a few information down here that we don't need to really talk about. But anyway, how do you get in the box? How do I get into this box? Oh, it's here. The seal is here. That's the other seal broken. I've got the light so close to the camera. That's why it's so. The picture is so washed. Well, not washed out. That's why it's really bright. I need to do something with that. So yeah, let's get this bad boy out. Oh wow, what's this? What's going on? Oh wow, what's this? Oh, that's just a, oh shit, that's the tech. Is that a battery? There's some in here. Is that a battery? That can't be a battery, no, that's just safety features. Just in case someone decides to steal it. Let's put this away. Put that down there. And yeah, this is the actual mouse. Let's see. So like I said, we got the charging cable. So it's just the normal USB cable, which is there to just a micro USB cable, as you can see there. If it's focused here, it's in focus, which is pretty damn good. This camera is getting better at focusing. And then here we just have, like I said, some manual guides and stuff like that. Let's just open it up and see quickly. Battery disposable. Not just a few bits and bobs we don't really need. With the warranty information, in case you want to warranty the card with the mouse, but we don't need to do that. But yeah, let's see. That's the casing. Nice. Oh wow, that looks so supreme. It's unreal. Let's grab it out. Wow, it's quite light, to be fair. It's very light. It's a very good looking mouse. I definitely give it to Logitech. They made something really nice here. But yeah, here we have the indicating bars to tell you when the battery is actually going to die and when it's not going to die, and how many life you've got left. And yeah, this is pretty damn cool. So we have the infinity scroll. As you can see, it scrolls for ages. Click keys. Actually, it's quite small. Smaller than I expected it to be. Smaller than I thought. Then we got the side to side scroll, which is here, so you can actually scroll from side to side. And then we have a button there that can be preset to whatever you want, and then another one that can be preset to whatever you want as well. But yeah, the clean, simple mouse. Then you got the charging port there, the charging female port, so you can charge it up, stuff like that. But yeah, it's a pretty simple mouse, but it does a lot of damage. This I'll be using for gaming and productivity when I edit my video and stuff like that, but it's a pretty cool mouse. Let me just put this down and get this out. So this is actually what plugs into the computer, into the Windows or Mac computer. Got that little I think indicator. I'm not sure if that's an indicator, but can you see there it is? There she is. Got the little Logitech logo symbol there. But this is what goes into the PC for you to get it working. So guys, there you have the mouse. It is, I don't know, it's just the most beautiful looking mouse I've ever seen in my life. Look at it, the design, you just got to appreciate it. It's just amazing. The whole effort that Logitech have actually put into making this mouse is just absolutely beautiful. Just look at that. The design is just absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is just, I don't know how to describe that. That's just amazing. I've got it on the setup right now. I'm using that. So we're gonna see how it is. I'm gonna do a review on this mouse, so stick around for that, and I'll tell you guys how the mouse is for me, how it is, like, it's just comfortable in the hands. But yeah, full in-depth review of this mouse coming soon. Well, I'll have to use it for a few weeks or a couple of months and see what it's like. But the first one, there's the first one, and this is the second one. So hopefully this is way better than the first one, and it does a better job clicking away like every other mouse does. But this is Logitech, and it's more expensive, and it still clicks like other mouse do. Anyway, without further ado guys, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that share button, nearly dropped the mouse, whoops, hit that share button, hit the like button. Also comment down below, tell me if you like the video. Yes, as you can see, I have my guns out. I know you can see it there. But yeah, also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also click that bell icon so you never miss out on whenever I upload a video on my YouTube channel. But yeah, this tech YouTube channel is getting strong. The game is just amazing. It's literally blowing over the top. You know how it is. But anyway guys, without further ado, see you later. Peace, you out. I said peace. Shoot. Off you go. Yeah.